It feels like deja vu, like we were here yesterday. Now this seemed to work last time. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? What an honor.
How are you, sir?
2 videos in a row?
2.
Okay, so we may have filmed this twice, and last time I went for the handshake, you went for the fist bump.
Yes.
And now, there we go.
Now we got it.
Welcome back to the Lamborghini Lounge, the Lounge, New York. Okay, they've changed it up a little bit in here.
We did, it's completely different.
This is sick. We have the Huracan STO. This thing is ad personam through the roof. This is, I should have got an STO.
You still can.
I'm pretty sure you said that in the last time I was here with you sometime. This spec is unbelievable. It smells so delicious in there.
Brand new.
Now today is a special occasion. Having Alan on the channel is obviously incredible. You've been on the channel now 4 times. Views are up when you're on the vlog, by the way. They are climbing high.
And my followers are up.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. However, this is a special moment. I don't want to introduce you the wrong way, Zach. What is your official title at Lamborghini?
Product marketing manager for North America. So
for Lamborghini.
Yeah.
For Lamborghini. And you have loved Lamborghini your entire life, just like me.
Yeah.
What's your favorite Lamborghini?
Veneno.
Are you kidding me? What? Bro, I want to give you a hug. I tell you, we're cut from the exact same cloth. I'd imagine most of you guys are probably wondering, why are we back at the Lamborghini Lounge? And that's because a year ago, almost to the day, I put down a $20,000 deposit on the brand new Lamborghini Huracan, the Sterrato, and today at the lounge, we are finalizing our spec. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the vlog. There's just something cool about a wall that says, Automobili Lamborghini Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italia, and welcome to the inner vault, the ad personam room. I'm telling you guys, Lamborghini makes the best colors in the entire world, and somehow, some way, we gotta pick a color interior, we gotta pick the right seats, we gotta pick the exterior paint, the wheel option. There are so many colors, but somewhere, I'm trying to find the best Lamborghini color of all time. Where's Rosa Acanthus? Do you know where that is? There's so many colors. How many colors do you have in total, Zach?
We have around 350.
So you're telling me we gotta choose one color, 350 options.
Yeah, or you choose one that color flips, you know?
There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Quite possibly the greatest color of all time, Rosa Acanthus. Do you know off the top of your head, Zach, what does this cost if I wanted to paint my Sterrato this color?
Around 19,000.
Okay, that's not bad. Wait.
We can go higher if you want.
You'll just take a percentage. Yeah, okay. Can we just point out Zach's little baby mug? No, you gotta drink out of that. Are you kidding me? That is the cutest, most adorable mug I've ever seen in my entire life.
Immediately.
Can I buy one of those?
You want one?
Wait,
Wait.
Bro, I was not. Did you
one.
see that little baby mug?
I want one.
That is the cutest little mug of all time. Look at this kitchen counter with the Lamborghini logo. So in a past life, you actually designed kitchens.
I was a kitchen designer.
Where were you?
In New Jersey.
You should have designed my kitchen.
I know, I would have. That would have been amazing.
This place is actually, I love the lighting too right there. How it's like flush with the ceiling.
Look at the Y in the table.
What? Dude, Lamborghini does it best. That's so cool. Are you seriously?
If you would like a baby mug.
Really?
Please.
That's so cute. Look, I just got a baby mug.
Look at that.
This is my first like utensil in my house.
Is it really?
Yeah, we don't have any. I have no cutlery.
Knives, forks,
No. But I got one baby mug. I got a baby mug. I turned around for 2 seconds. What's going on? What's your favorite? Is this the color?
Blue Glocco.
Blue Glocco
Matte.
is such a fantastic color. Also, can we point out you're now wearing Lamborghini merch?
I
Where
know,
did you
and
get
I'm
that?
drinking water out of glass.
What is going on? You guys are killing me right now. All these colors are so crazy. This blue Hal is very similar to that P1 that I filmed years ago. There's an Aventador SV in this. That's gorgeous. Yeah. And this is a new color that's like a color shift.
Yeah. Oro Alba.
Oro Alba. Bro, are we gonna check crazy? What do you think, so? What do we
Green and
do?
gold, it's pretty cool.
Zach just brought up a very good point. How much does it cost to make my own paint?
It depends.
Depends on, I mean, if I got a great smile and you like me, do I get a discount? No. Wow, Alan! Like a ballpark figure. Are we talking 500 bucks, 50,000 bucks, $500,000? Like very ballpark. 6,200? You're not being quoted right now.
It's honestly all.
Nobody's watching this video.
It can be, yeah, nobody's
Nobody.
watching it all. It can be anywhere from like 19.6 up to, at times, you can go up to 100,000.
Exactly.
If you do a color shift, it's probably more expensive, right?
Yeah. They're far more expensive.
That'd be cool. And you can custom name it.
Yeah.
Viola Stratife, that's sick.
Stratife?
Stratife, yeah. You know, Pasife, Parsife, Stratife. I am the first customer to ever come into the Lamborghini Lounge shouting at a camera.
I mean, you absolutely are.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes, I am. And I'm probably the last. So we gotta pick a color somehow though. It's gotta be bright because the Huracan Sterrato, you described it really, really good 5 seconds ago off camera.
Yeah.
Can you repeat that?
It's, in my opinion, it's a very shocking car.
It is a shocking car.
It's the only super sports car that's lifted, that has body armor. I think a color that sort of embodies that is nice.
Exactly, exactly. And I have a similar personality, so we need a color that is somewhat similar to that. Obviously, some of my favorite colors. Verde Artemis, that is the same color as my Murcielago. Orange is incredible too, but what color do we choose? I've been leaning toward, do I announce it right now? I already know the color.
I know.
I'm just buying the time. We already know the color.
We do.
Sophia approved, Alan approved, Zach approved. Ladies and gentlemen, we have gone dead center. We're going Verde Scandal. We've picked our paint color. Now we gotta focus on wheels and calipers. And I think the caliper is honestly pretty obvious. It is literally staring us in the face right there. That's Verde Scandal, right?
Yeah, perfect match.
Verde Scandal calipers right there. Obviously wheel-wise, I think white wheels would look incredible, but I don't think so, right? White wheels is not the move.
Not for this.
I love the pinstripe. That's super cool. Would we be able to do that in like Verde?
Yeah, we can do it in Verde Scandal.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I like that.
I actually like the pinstripe. It's kind of a little new age. You like the pinstripe?
I like it.
Pinstripe is kind of cool. Obviously these wheels are for the Urus right here. You have the orange caliper with the orange pinstripe. Maybe we could put that on the computer and see. I like black with...
That would look nice.
You can never have too much Verde Scandal, right?
Definitely not.
Turn around for 2 seconds. You're already grabbing Verde Scandal. Like I said, you can't have too much. That's sick.
Right.
We could go crazy. Verde Scandal the world, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, we're getting ahead of ourselves. We have.
We're not even on the interior.
That looks incredible though. That looks so good. That looks so sick. So the body armor on the lower diffuser, the side skirt, as well as the diffuser, that looks pretty cool. It definitely gives it a super aggressive look. I also love how you customize the background to be Utah. Like that is literally Utah, right? That is Canyonlands National Park. How'd you do that? That is pretty sick. I don't know, is it too much or just enough? I wish I could interact with you guys like on the fly. Do you guys like the painted diffuser and the side skirt? It is pretty cool, but
Yes.
no colored body armor. We're gonna stick with the black. It just gives it, this is the look we want right here. Exterior wise, we're gonna add the lights soon. That's kind of later on, that's like this step right here. But I think as far as wheels, calipers, paint, I think we're set. Obviously, of course, we need roof rails. 100% definitely need those. So we need rails and we need the lights as well on the exterior. Every single Sterrato, you have to have these lights. Do you know if they're gonna offer any more lights in the future?
No, only these. Only these two.
We have to rig the roof lights if you want.
And these two actually aren't homologated either. They come with covers. You can
Oh, okay.
put covers if you want, but it's an optional, right?
Right, yeah. We definitely, we're gonna need some more lights for sure. Now there is a tire rack, an accessory you can get on the roof, right?
Yes.
We definitely need that, and we're gonna add more lights. Don't worry guys, we're gonna brighten up the entire state of Utah. This is the roof basket right here. This is an accessory for the Sterrato. That is so cool. That looks so crazy. It's not my birthday. You didn't have to do this, Alan.
For you, anything.
My birthday's in February.
I know when
The
your
internet
birthday
thinks it's in May. Fun fact, somewhere on the internet they think my birthday is May 7th. It's not, but oh my goodness. Bro, what? I love how the fries are in a Lamborghini bowl too.
We gotta class it up a little.
Absolutely, we definitely need to class it up because I'm around, you guys know I'm classy. 10 to 10 can confirm the Chick-fil-A was absolutely magnificent. That being said, I kind of want to take a nap, but we still got a spec to finish. So just like the pink Avenger with the white interior, I love bright interiors. And for the first time ever to be specking a car, we gotta go bright. Like we have to go bright. It looks so good on camera too. So we already have the Verde Scandal stitching. I didn't suggest that, but I like that. I like that a lot. Definitely carbon fiber floor mats. We want as much carbon fiber as we can possibly get. This is gonna be a rare car too because there's what, 1,499 Sterratos in the world. This is quite possibly maybe the last V10. Right? Maybe. We can give it a strong maybe. It might be the last V10, so it's a limited edition, final NA V10. We gotta make this spec super, super cool. So we got the carbon floor mats, let's see, steering wheel, definitely Alcantara, right? Right? Alcantara's gotta be Alcantara. This is actually a lot easier. I've been in so many Huracans. I know kind of exactly what I want. Definitely full Alcantara dashboard as well. Ooh, we got the embroidered headrest. That in Verde Scandal too, that's a must have. So this STO right here, it has the carbon fiber door panel. So you can see that matte carbon fiber is just absolutely glistening. So we're gonna have this exact door panel on my Sterrato. We also have the carbon vents right here. And then in the back, you can actually see The fire extinguisher is tucked away behind the passenger seat. The start-stop button is finished in balloon white. Can we do that on the Sterrato?
We can do
So
it.
we can do that in Verde Scandal.
Absolutely.
That's sick. So you guys can probably see like these little numbers with the circle around them. Those are the touch points. That is where we can customize. So basically every single touch point, Verde Scandal, Verde Scandal, Verde Scandal, Verde Scandal. That's so sick. So obviously we're gonna change the embroidery in the headrest to black as well, so that pops, as well as the Sterrato right here on the side bolster. That looks so good though. We have the Sterrato now in black as well as the headrest in black too. So you have the Verde Scandal stitching right here, the Verde Scandal leather, the black Alcantara. That's gonna look crazy. Say that again, Sophia. What did you just say?
I said this car is gonna be really obnoxious. It is. Look
It
at
matches my personality. I'm shouting at a kid.
I love it. I love it.
I love it. Yeah, I love it. Unbelievable. It is perfect. Thank you, Alan. Thank you.
Exactly what you need.
We have the lower dash finish in Verde Scandal, as well as the upper dash. We have the side bolsters, as well as like this little center pouch thing.
Armrest.
Armrest. The armrest is also Verde Scandal. That looks properly good. That honestly that has a huge impact because every single one of them is red.
Yeah.
And so that just like makes it feel so custom. That is really cool. Now we can't change that to Verde Scandal or that. However, theoretically we could paint them someday, one day, and we might, but honestly, I kind of like the red. It matches the tachometer. So you'll notice the stitching right here on the door. Oh. Yeah, I was just getting ready to compliment you, Zach. I was gonna like preach. I was gonna preach you. Okay, there we go. We got the green stitching right here on the handle too. Like, nobody gets that done. Every single little detail in this car is gonna be so good. Wow, I cannot wait. So we're thinking October, November, December?
Yeah.
Maybe?
I'm thinking though
2023, 2024.
2023.
Let's go, baby. We come bearing gifts. A Lamborghini full of all sorts of. What do we have?
I don't know. What's in there?
Wait, is this like my little coffee mug? I don't know. Oh, that's sick. I get two. We got one for you both.
Perfect. Yin yang.
Let's go. That's
Perfect.
so cool. Thank you. Thank you for letting us come to the lounge. Zach, thank you for the professionalism. And Alan, of course, thank you for everything you do.
You're very welcome.
We got what?
My pleasure.
7 months? 6 months? Is it 6? 6 months? 7 months.
6 months.
7 months. 6 months.
6 months.
October, November, Sterrato, taken delivery from this man right here.
Absolutely.
That's going to be sick. We just made it back here to Utah, and right on time, Alan just emailed me the price summary for the Huracan. So base MSRP, $273,000. You can see all the options on the car. For example, the Verde Scandal is a $14,000 option. We have the calipers being painted as well. That's a $2,400 option. The seats are $3,800. The fire extinguisher is $900. We have the interior carbon, which is $14,000. So grand total, $342,572 before tax. A lot of you guys might remember last week when I spec'd the Revuelto, it was Verde Scandal and Verde Scandal. That was a hint because I knew the Sterrato was gonna be Verde Scandal. I feel like that color, the vibe of the car, the ethos of the car, it's just the right choice. Like, it's just bold, it's bright, it's vibrant. And then I'm also missing that color in the garage. We have the bright pinks, the purples, we have all the bright oranges. We just unwrapped the Aventura, so I felt like we needed a highlighter green. And Verde Scandal is actually a Classica color. It was finished on the Lamborghini Miura in the late 1960s, and so I feel like it's a cool like throwback to that. The Toyota Supra, the auction on cars and bids ends this time tomorrow, less than 24 hours from now. I'm gonna link that in the description below, but on that bombshell, today's video is over.